Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy baby crochet footwear collection. Baby crochet sandal designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, new designs, new ideas for your sweet babies. You can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy baby crochet sandal designs. Beautiful designer ideas you can see in this my video. Those babies who loves to wear such type of sandals. Stylish colors, light colors, dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts. Baby girl sandal designs, beautiful designing ideas for your sweet babies. Your babies can easily wear, can easily move with beautiful and stylish crochet sandals. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, laces or ribbon. If you want to buy these very beautiful baby crochet sandals, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns for your sweet babies. You can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading.